Ready? All right, the broken windows theory. First introduced by social scientists James Q. Wilson and George L. Kelly. This theory suggests that that signs such as crime, antisocial behavior, and public disorder create an environment that generates more crime and disorder, including violent crimes. Confronting problems when they're small can prevent larger issues from developing. For example, if windows get broken, it should be repaired more quickly. This can make vandals less likely to cause further damage. As a result, crime is less likely to escalate and the neighborhood does not deteriorate. Observations of my neighborhood. In my neighborhood, I have saw a great amount of littering, constant speeding, and break-ins. I'm observing the littering. I can see that there are a large amount of litter and like trash and everything on the side of the roads. Also, I've noticed that there are a whole bunch of speeders in my neighborhood. A lot of people are going like 50 over, very dangerous speeds. Also, there are a lot of break-ins. Since there are a lot of highly valuable assets inside these people's homes, it happens very often. All right, description of my neighborhood. My neighborhood is somewhat in the middle when it comes to order and disorder. My neighborhood is very tight knit. Everyone knows each other, and it is also located in a very rural area. There's also not many restaurants or convenience stores. There's also a lot of back roads, so not many people can pass through. Not many people pass through at all. Since our neighborhood is so bonded, even when bad things do happen, like break-ins, we are able to stay mostly in order since we have each other to fall back on. Here's some visual evidence of the type of trash that I might see on the side of my roads. So there's the alcohol bottles or just cardboard boxes and plastic bottles. All right, analysis of observations using the broken windows theory. Litter. When people see this litter on the side of the road, it makes them feel more comfortable doing that themselves. For example, let's say I'm driving in my car and I have this bottle in my hand. I'm thinking to myself, this ain't right, I shouldn't do this, but then I see there's a whole bunch of trash on the road anyway, so I'm like, hey, why not? So just throw it out. Constant speeding. Let's say I'm on my road and I'm just driving and I see a person just fly right by me going 100 plus mile an hour. It's made me feel more comfortable doing that myself. Also break-ins, although it's not as likely to happen, as people hear about more houses getting robbed and people getting away with it, it can inspire them to do it themselves, which causes more break-ins. All right, some positive and negative experiences. Often I see sheriff vehicles parked on the side of my streets and side of the bridges. These sheriff vehicles being there kind of stops people from speeding, littering, doing break-ins and stuff like that. When I see this happen, it's very nice because since the kind of makes it feel nice since like the presence of them can make such a strong impact on my community. Some negative impacts. Although I have not experienced any violent crimes, I have witnessed major speeding and littering in my neighborhood. Seeing these acts makes me question the stability of our community and why things are the way they are. Conclusion. Analyzing what I have observed in my neighborhood has opened my eyes to the role that the broken windows theory plays in our lives. According to the theory, my neighborhood displays moderate levels of deviant activity, including littering, robbery, and speeding, which suggests a potential for higher crime rates. Maintaining neighborhood order is vital to protecting the safety and well-being of everyone who lives here, or who lives there. Addressing minor disorders can help prevent more serious crimes, fostering a sense of pride and safety among residents. I will now do my best to spread the knowledge I have gained from this experience and demonstrate how confronting problems with it when they're small can help prevent them from reoccurring. Thank you.